Good morning, my friends, and welcome to another segment of Rowserworld. And today, guys, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be doing a quick caricature drawing just to show you or demonstrate how to draw a caricature from a photo reference. So, guys, what I like to do when I first start, I'm going to be using a Crayola marker for this particular exercise. I like to start with my overall basic head shape. So I'll do something that looks like this. I'll start from the top, work my way down. This will help me to kind of decide how much space I want my head shape to kind of take up. Okay. And if we need to add more volume to the hair or whatever, you can kind of do that toward the end of the drawing. Right now, it's just pretty much a basic idea. Okay, and then in the back here, I might draw a little bit more hair back there. If I'm drawing multiple people, I usually won't do this stage until last, but because I'm only drawing one person in the reference, it's going to be pretty easy to get her in there. Okay, so now my next shape is going to be pretty much my head shape. So I'll decide, well, how do I want my hair? How far down do I want my face to go? So I might put a little dot there or something, right? And then I'll just bring my shape around. So I'll do something like this. Okay. And then I'll give her like a little neck like that. Okay. And we can go ahead and fit the shoulders in. Okay. And it looks like she got some earrings kind of cascading in the back here. So we can add those in too. Okay. All right. So that looks like a good deal right there. And we'll just bring our hair down just a little bit. Okay. So now that we have that finished, okay, what we're going to do here is we're going to start adding in our facial features. So I'll start with something kind of like this. I'll start with her eyebrow shape here. And maybe I'll jazz it up just a little bit. Those are one of the prominent features of her face. So we're gonna make sure we get that in there. Let's go ahead and add those eyes in there. So she has some very kind of slanted eyes. So we want to make our first line very slanted. Okay. And then here, I'll kind of bring the shape in. And I'll make her look over here like the photo reference. And add some more eyelashes there. Okay. Now, guys, let's go ahead and add the bridge of our nose here. And then we're going to do her nose shape. We want a very small nose shape here. I always draw something kind of small for the ladies, and that looks perfect right there. Okay. Now, guys, let's go ahead and do our smile. So we'll do usually what I like to do is I'll kind of start from one pupil and draw to the other pupil. So she has a pretty straight shape. Okay, and nice dimples. So we want to get those dimples in there. I'll usually go ahead and just add my the mouth shape in the middle first, and then I'll add my lip shape. Okay. All right. Just add that second little dimple there. Add some darks here to the side of the mouth. Oh, that looks awesome. And then we'll just go ahead and fill in our eyebrow shape. Now pretty much, guys, what we're going to do here is we're going to add some shadows to the drawing. So what I like to do is use a gray. So I'll use this marker here. To kind of color in her eyes a bit. Okay. Add some shadows here, just to the side of the eye. I like to use shadows instead of lines a lot to form my features. This way the cartoon doesn't look so busy. Go over here and we'll add like a shadow line on the side of the face. And it's looking pretty awesome. And now I'm going to get out another gray over here. And I'm going to go ahead and use this to kind of color in our lips a little bit. So we're going to just draw that overall basic shape. I believe that's pretty satisfactory, right? Eyes just a little bit more with this gray. Okay. And now I'm just going to kind of use a little bit of it down here just to kind of add a little bit of contours in the face. I want to also fill that cheekbone in there. Last but not least, guys, we're going to come back with our black here, and this is pretty much a poster marker. I let them dry out just a little bit, or after a few uses, I kind of know what I can do. It works better for me after I've had a few uses on them. So I'll start adding my hair shape. So I don't put that much pressure on the marker. Almost done here. I always make my strokes pretty much a little bit darker toward the head shape, because as you notice, as I start coloring in these shapes here, it really makes that head shape kind of pop out a little bit. Once again, you just want to get one that has a little bit of use to it already to be able to easily make these effects. The key to it is not pressing very hard. That's how you learn how to use these. Only press hard where you need to. dark to light ratio there. So I'm going to come back with my gray again. I'm going to do my final touches. And then I also at the end, this is one of my signature things, I'll take a marker like this one, a gray, one of my Amazon Basics. And I kind of just go over the features I want to really pop out. So you can see most of the time that'll be around the eye shape here. I'll do a couple little hairline, you know, just to put the baby hairs in there. It gives that hairline a little more of a natural look. Okay, and then off the edges of the hair here, you'll see I'll just kind of, once again, I like my style of caricature. I don't like to over animate. Some caricatures like that, and that's completely a choice that you have. I'm just sharing with you the way that I've found comfort. So hopefully you enjoy. Let's go ahead and just make those outlines just a little bit darker to make sure they're on point. Looks like she paid a lot of money to get those perfect eyebrows. We don't want to take it upon ourselves to mess them up. Okay, so guys, we are done with our drawing. I'm gonna just go ahead and start sign my work. I want to thank you for watching this video tutorial of drawing with the Rouser. I'll be posting more videos and tutorials soon. If you'd like me to draw your favorite celebrity, favorite character, and feature them on the show, just holler at us. Put it in the comment section, and we'll see if the Rouser can make a video for you too. So guys, you have such a blessed and wonderful day. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll be seeing you next time.
Hey guys, I hope that you enjoyed that video tutorial. If you did, don't hesitate guys to go ahead and give us a like. Also guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the notifications button. This way, when we put up new material, you'll be the first to know. If you have any questions about our markers or pens or paper, and you'd like to know where I get some of the materials that I use here on my art stream, there's a link in the description below, so you can go ahead and check that out as well. And also guys, we'd like to welcome your questions and comments so that we can get some new ideas. You know, it's always good to have new, fresh ideas for our next and upcoming videos. Oh, and don't forget to check out these 2 super cool videos right here. So guys, thanks again for your love and support of our channel. You guys be safe out there. And as always, guys, I wish you happy cartooning.